We've recorded a static slide with a voiceover. Now let's do the same thing, except instead of using a static slide, I'm going to do a screencast of me actually performing some work on my computer. This is a very common use of the ScreenFlow software. For my screencast, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a very quick spreadsheet using Google Sheets. So I brought up Google Sheets, and now I'm going to start my screencast by hitting Control-Z. I'm going to get the countdown, and now I'm going to start talking. In this lesson, we are going to create a quick Google spreadsheet. I'm going to enter a column heading and some years. And now I'm going to enter some sales figures. I'm going to format the numbers. I'm going to format the column heading. And now I'm going to create a total. And that is how to quickly create a spreadsheet using Google Sheets. When I'm done, I'm simply going to hit Control-Z to end my recording. Now that we've recorded the screencast, as usual, I'm going to click, drag, and drop it into the timeline. First the video, and then the audio. And there you have it. I'm going to do this one more time, and I just want you to note a couple things. First of all, as I drag the video onto my timeline, as I get closer to the prior clip, it is going to snap into place. That is a very useful feature because it's going to make a seamless transition from your first clip to your next clip. Same thing for the audio. I'm going to drag this clip down to the timeline and just click and just keep on dragging it, and it's going to snap in place. It's as easy as that.